How the Himalayas Changed the World. A mountain of influence. Did you know that the world's tallest mountain range isn't just a pretty backdrop? The Himalayas have fundamentally shaped our planet's climate, biodiversity, and even the course of human civilization. Prepare to embark on a journey to uncover the profound impact of these majestic peaks. The story of the Himalayas begins with a colossal collision. Millions of years ago, the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates engaged in a slow-motion crash, a geological event of epic proportions. This immense pressure resulted in orogenesis, the process of mountain building. The Earth's crust buckled and folded, giving rise to the towering peaks we know today. The Himalayas are not static. They are a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. The mountains continue to rise, albeit at a snail's pace of just millimeters per year. This ongoing geological activity reminds us of the powerful forces constantly shaping our planet. The Himalayas are a living testament to Earth's restless nature. The formation process began millions of years ago and continues to this day. This makes the Himalayas one of the youngest and most active mountain ranges on Earth. The Himalayas act as a massive barrier, influencing air masses and weather patterns on a global scale. Their sheer size redirects winds and moisture, creating distinct climatic zones. One of the most significant impacts is the creation of the monsoon system in South Asia. The mountains force moist air upwards, leading to intense rainfall during the summer months. The monsoon is a seasonal reversal of winds, bringing heavy rainfall to the Indian subcontinent. This annual deluge is both a blessing and a curse. The monsoon is crucial for agriculture, providing water for crops and sustaining billions of people. Without it, the region would be a vastly different and much drier place. The Himalayas also influence global wind patterns, affecting weather systems far beyond their immediate vicinity. Their presence alters the flow of air around the world. They contribute to the formation of the jet stream, a high-altitude wind current that plays a vital role in global weather. The jet stream is a river of air that steers weather systems across continents. The jet stream's position and strength are influenced by the Himalayas, impacting weather patterns in North America and Europe. This demonstrates the interconnectedness of our planet's climate. The Himalayas' influence on the jet stream highlights how a regional geological feature can have global consequences. Understanding these connections is crucial for predicting future climate changes. The Himalayas harbor a unique and diverse range of flora and fauna, making them a biodiversity hotspot. Their varied habitats support a rich tapestry of life. Dramatic altitudinal gradients create a mosaic of ecosystems from subtropical forests to alpine meadows. This variation allows for a wide range of species to thrive. The mountains support a rich tapestry of life, including iconic species like the snow leopard and Bengal tiger. These animals are adapted to the harsh conditions of the high altitudes. The snow leopard, with its elusive nature and thick fur, is a symbol of the Himalayas. The Bengal tiger roams the lower foothills, showcasing the range's diverse habitats. The Himalayas also boast a vast array of plant life, many of which are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else on Earth. These unique plants are adapted to the specific conditions of the region. However, melting glaciers pose a significant threat to biodiversity in the Himalayas. As glaciers shrink, habitats are altered and species are forced to adapt or face extinction. The melting glaciers also threaten water resources for millions of people who depend on the Himalayas for their water supply. This highlights the importance of conservation efforts in the region. The Himalayas are the source of major river systems, including the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra. These rivers are the lifeblood of South Asia. These rivers provide water for irrigation, drinking, and transportation, supporting the development of ancient civilizations. They have shaped the course of human history in the region. The fertile plains created by these rivers supported the development of ancient civilizations, like the Indus Valley Civilization. These civilizations thrived thanks to the abundant water and fertile soil. The Himalayas are vital for the economic and social well-being of the region, providing resources and shaping cultural landscapes. They are an integral part of the lives of millions of people. The mountains also act as a natural barrier, influencing migration patterns and shaping cultural boundaries. They have played a role in the distribution of populations and the development of distinct cultures. The Himalayas have fostered unique cultures and traditions, with diverse languages, religions, and customs. The mountains have shaped the way people live and interact with the world around them. The Himalayas are more than just a mountain range. They are a geological marvel with an undeniable impact on our planet. Their formation, climate influence, biodiversity, and role in shaping human civilization are all interconnected. Understanding the Himalayas is crucial for comprehending the interconnectedness of our planet. By studying these mountains, we can gain insights into the complex systems that govern our world. Now, we encourage you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of the Himalayas. Research specific aspects that intrigued you, such as the monsoon system, the snow leopard, or the impact of climate change on the region. Share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness about the importance of these majestic mountains. Consider supporting organizations dedicated to conservation efforts in the Himalayas. Your actions can help protect this vital ecosystem for future generations. Let's work together to ensure that the Himalayas continue to shape our world in a positive way.